This is the Omnia stovetop oven, and this is why we like it. Why we like it is a channel about stuff we like. Hey, if you don't like it, that's okay, move along. But if you like it, subscribe. Let's talk about this oven for the ovenless. When you buy it, it comes with a carry bag. It also comes with a manual with different recipes, and it's in several languages. And you get the actual oven itself, which is a 3-piece oven set. You see a stainless steel base, the aluminum center, and then the lid, and they all kind of sit together perfectly. Their website has plenty of accessories that make baking easier. I picked up 3, one being the silicone mold, the second being the perforated baking tray with ceramic coating, and the third is the hard-sided EVA case that is a custom fit case for the oven itself that cuts down on rattling during transport. I'm going to be cooking with the silicone mold, and I'm going to put a little olive oil on the perforated baking tray. I wanted to try the Pillsbury orange roll cinnamon buns with orange icing. Now, this seems pretty easy for home cooking, but can we do it out here camping? First thing we do is open our packet, slice up our cinnamon rolls, and then put them in the Omnia oven. I'm going to be using the Jetfoil Genesis, and once I get it lit, I want to bring it up to temperature. Some reviews talked about people struggling to not burn what they were cooking in the Omnia, so I used an infrared thermometer to better understand what was happening inside the cooker. You can see the outer wall is at about 270 degrees, and the inner portion is at 500. So that inner portion is bringing the hot air up and over the cinnamon buns. The instructions for the cinnamon buns is in a non-stick pan at 375 degrees, cook the cinnamon buns for 15 to 19 minutes. There's a lot of different factors that can play in when you're cooking outside, when camping, your weather or how cold it is, also the type of stove you're using. So I frequently came back and checked as the cinnamon buns were cooking just to see how they were going. And I checked to see if they were burning or if they were getting that nice golden brown I was looking for. Checking frequently is key. After about 22 to 25 minutes, these were ready to be pulled out of the Omnia. I let them cool, and then I did the funnest part, putting the icing on. Let's try one. Oh, yeah, look at that. Really nice crisp on the bottom. Cooked all the way through. That's the important thing. Make sure it's cooked all the way through. Oh, perfect. Pre-dinner dessert right here. Pre-dinner. Love it. I love it. Even with it being a chilly and windy day at camp, I was pleased on how easy the process was. When it came time to clean up, I just started with a few paper towels, wiped off any excess oil or grease, then went back with water and soap and washed each piece. You can see that it cleaned up really well. Here's the stainless steel base, then the aluminum cooking area, perfectly clean. The silicone insert, and the perforated baking tray. Everything cleaned up really nicely, just like new. Using the hard-sided case made the perfect storage area once everything was inside of itself. Take my word for it, whatever you're cooking in the Omnia is going to be a hit around camp. Thanks for watching to the end. Please like and subscribe. This is stuff we like and why we like it. If you're anything like us, we know you're going to like it too.